The playground at BrightKid Mania school is alive with energy. The kindness crew Arham, Hammad, Ayyan, Tahha, Abdullah, Saad, and Rehan form a tight-knit circle amidst the chaos, their camaraderie evident in their easy smiles. Their laughter fades as their gazes converge on a solitary figure. Ahmed, the new student, stands isolated near the swings, his unease palpable. Hammad walks towards Ahmed, his face open and welcoming. With a warm smile, Hammad introduces himself. "Hi, I'm Hammad, and these are my friends. Do you want to join us?" Ahmed's face lights up with surprise and joy. "Really? I'd love to." The cafeteria pulses with the vibrant chaos of lunchtime, the air thick with youthful energy. Amid the lively scene, the kindness crew gathers around Ahmed, their table a beacon of warmth and camaraderie. Ahmed's passion for drawing simmers beneath a veil of hesitation, his artistic soul yearning for expression. Fueled by the unwavering support of his newfound friends, Ahmed tentatively unveils his sketchbook, his heart pounding with anticipation. The pages come alive with Ahmed's drawings, each stroke a testament to his boundless creativity and hidden talent. Arham's eyes widen in astonishment as he exclaims, "These are amazing, Ahmed!" The school garden is strewn with trash, wrappers, and discarded papers. Saad surveys the mess, a shadow of disappointment crossing his face. Saad sighs, his voice barely a whisper. "We should clean this up." Rehan nods in agreement, a hint of determination in his eyes. Rehan affirms with resolve, "Yeah, let's do it during our lunch breaks." The kindness crew gathers in the school garden, ready to transform the neglected space. Abdullah hefts a heavy trash bag, his muscles straining with the effort. The team spreads out, each member meticulously gathering stray pieces of litter. Laughter echoes through the garden as the kindness crew shares jokes and stories. The sun shines brightly as the kindness crew picks up discarded trash. The kindness crew chats as they revitalize the garden. The team exchanges playful banter as they work. Their collaboration transforms the garden into a welcoming oasis. The kindness crew works, bringing new life to the school garden. Each member contributes to the collective goal of beautifying the space. The kindness crew's efforts turn the garden into a bright spot. The garden is a symbol of their collective spirit. The kindness crew's actions demonstrate the power of teamwork. On the playground, the air is thick with childish squabbles as two children bicker over a swing. Tahha approaches with a serene demeanor, a beacon of calm amid the playground chaos. With gentle curiosity, Tahha inquires, "Hey, what's going on?" A city street near the school, drenched under the heavy rain. Students pour out their joyful laughter echoing in the rain. An elderly woman shuffles along the sidewalk, grocery bags weighing her down. The weight of her burden is visible in every step. Ayyan's voice cuts through the air. "We should help her." In a bustling city street, the kindness crew springs into action to assist an elderly woman. Tahha extends his umbrella, shielding her from the elements with a gentle smile. Ayyan steps forward, offering strong arms to lighten her load. "Thank you, young men. You are so kind," the elderly woman says. In the bustling hallway of BrightKid Mania school, Rehan's eyes spot a forgotten pencil case. Driven by honesty, Rehan picks it up. Rehan heads towards Miss Sarah, their teacher. Rehan approaches Miss Sarah with the pencil case. "I found this in the hallway." Inside the classroom, Miss Sarah's warm smile radiates as she returns the pencil case. Sunlight floods the room, catching the dust motes in a dance of light. The student's face lights up with gratitude. "Thank you so much. I thought it was lost forever." Weeks later, Miss Sarah motions towards the front, her gesture filled with warmth and encouragement. Sunlight bathes the classroom, highlighting the eager faces of the students, ready to celebrate kindness. Miss Sarah's voice fills the room with praise. The kindness crew has shown us all how a little kindness can brighten the world. She inspires them. Let's all try to be like them. The boys share smiles, their faces glowing with the warmth of their kindness. Applause erupts, filling the classroom with a symphony of appreciation. Ahmed feels a surge of belonging, deeply grateful for the camaraderie he shares with his peers.